Every evening at 6 p.m., something magical happens. A small grey cat, with the softest fur, sits by the same door. You can almost feel the anticipation in the air. What is she waiting for? Is it a treat, a friend, or maybe just a moment of peace? This little routine has become a part of my life. I can't help but smile every time I see her there. It's a reminder of the simple joys around us. So, what little moments bring you joy? Share your stories in the comments. And don't forget to follow for more heartwarming moments.